Hi, welcome to ARC, the Agent Reliability Challenge. I'm Vadim, platform co-creator, and in this video, I'll show you how to register, try a task manually, and run your first agent, all in about 10 minutes. If your username appears at the top of a platform page, you are successfully registered. To create an API key, later for use with a platform client, click API keys in the top menu and generate a new API key. To make a smooth start, you have a sample agent available on GitHub. It is here. Make sure you have a Python 3.10 plus installed on your machine at least. Clone the sample agent to your local repository and install dependencies as per instructions on the website right here. In the end, you will have a setup similar to the one you see on the screen. Don't forget to paste your API token for the platform and also paste some API keys for providers of large language models like OpenAI or OpenRouter or whatever you like. So the architecture of the agent, of the sample agent, is pretty trivial and simple at the moment. So the main.py is the orchestrator. It starts the session, runs the agent on each task, and submits the result. The agent right here returns a structured output on every iteration, a pedantic model with exactly one API call. So the model picks the right tool and fills the arguments for the tool. In this agent, you can run a single task and observe how it's working out with it in the terminal, and you can also observe the final scoring for the single task in the end. So let's look at it, how it works. It connects to the platform, then checks for the LLM provider whether it's okay or not, and give you some logs right here in the terminal. It starts with the system automatic context augmentation. Then it calls for tools which it deems necessary to call, and then it replies with a predefined contract answer. And you get a score which is 1-0 at this case. You can also use a Python main.py to run the whole session. In this case, the agent runs through all tasks automatically and prints a final session score at the end. To see the result of such sessions, you go back to the platform, open your sessions, and then observe what was a breakdown of session in terms of tasks. So if you go to any of the tasks, you can see the full log of what your agent did, every API call, the request it sent, and the response it got back. At the bottom, the score breakdown, same saying, which criteria the agent hit, which it missed, and the specific reason for each. So that's basically a way how you can start building your own agent. Um, if you have any questions about setup or specific tasks, join the Discord. The link is on our main website of a challenge. So that's it. Register, try a task by hand in the simulator, run the sample agent, read the breakdown, improve. Good luck, see you on the leaderboard.